The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Board and Dice.
Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today I'm going to open up 5 Minute Chase. Now this is from Board and Dice, and it is a game where one player is going to be basically escaped convict out of a prison, and the other are going to be the authorities trying to catch him. It's a tile laying game that has a very unique twist, so let's open it up and see what's inside. I like how we got the little guys being chased there on the front. Show you the back there. We have our rule book. Oh, these tiles are actually pretty good size. I was expecting them to be more like Carcassonne sized tiles, but these are actually a little bit bigger. So you can see the front there, and there is the back. Notice the ones that have the red have that red background there. I've not played this or really know much about it, so I'll have to read up on this. But from what little I have seen, it does look like a very interesting game. Yeah, we got some tiles falling out already. But since we already have these, you can see how thick these are. They're good size. And there's plenty of them. Another one that had popped out. And here is a token, looks like. Well, no. Here it is. This token that had popped out there, so you can see the punch board. Put that back in there. And the insert. So, and the game also comes with some extra baggies to put the little tokens in, because the box isn't really big enough for a Gerber, maybe one of the small Gerbers. So I probably won't Gerberize this, probably just put them in the included baggies. And that really is all there is to 5 Minute Chase. So we will catch you guys next time. If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.